Hey, what's up? It's 2:01 in the 808. I'm here waiting for the Jordan release of the SpaceJams. It's actually about 2:30 right now. As you can see, parking lot is empty. So I was here right after work from 5 to like about 10:30. There was a few people here. Security said nobody could stay the night. So went home. Slept for a little bit, came back out here, and just waiting outside the mall till about maybe 5:36. So this is pretty much just me sitting here. So it's about 3:30 right now, and I'm still sitting out here, and not really nothing to do. Actually, kind of peaceful out here, but I am turning around every time I hear a noise. Feeling like maybe I should have got hobo stab insurance, but other than that, everything's pretty good, and hopefully I get my shoes. Keep you updated.